Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an credit video for YouTube in Canva. So if you guys have a YouTube channel and you want to make like an end credit on if each of your video, you can create that on Canva, and I'm gonna show you how. So here on Canva, you can just click on the video format in here, and it will be automatically open like this, and you can just find from a template, or you can also use the um, background. I'm going to just okay, let's see this one. Okay, so I like this one, and maybe I'm going to change this into with my logo. For example, I'm going to just find logo in Canva, just random logos. Mm, okay, so I'm going to delete this video, and I'm going to add, for example, this is my logo, so I'm going to just use Canva logo, and I'm going to put it in here like so. I'm going to put it in here. So let's say that this is your YouTube logo, and then for example, thank you for watching. I'm going to just ungroup this first. Okay, and I'm going to group this again. I'm going to make it big like so, and here you can just add this your name of social media in here, for example, like so. And then you can also change, I'm going to change the color. Okay, I'm going to change this color. This yellow doesn't fit. Okay, I'm going to go like that, and you can also add some animations in here. Okay, I'm going this pop, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that is how you can make YouTube and credit in Canva. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channels. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye!